Ano yun? Tapos mag-background music na music.
Alright, Ansley and my brother, Brian, congratulations. I wish you a lifetime of happiness and, yeah, I guess be happy and, if you ever have, I guess, like you did some problems, make sure that you talk about it before you guys go. That's it. Hi everyone. Rasa Sami Harris. I'm honored to be Ansley today. I've known Ansley for a decade and over that time, I watched her grow into an incredible woman. She's kind, generous, and full of life. Kahit minsan mamalit. You have to remind her every time. But she's also a wonderful man of her two kids. Seeing the way Ansley and Brian support and bring out the best of each other has been truly beautiful. They are perfect for each other in every way, and I couldn't be happier for both of you. To Ansley and Brian, I wish you nothing but love, laughter, and countless memories together. You are two truly meant to be. Let's raise our glass to laughter and to this incredible couple. Cheers.
Next we are calling the best man. I thought you said he's not prepared for it. I'm sorry. I'll give you back the mic. I'm sorry.
Good evening, everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Ansley's baby sister, Diane. Today I'm not just here as a sibling, but as a proud maid of honor, watching my sister start on this incredible journey with the love of her life, Kuya Bri. Growing up, Ate and I weren't close, but as we got older, our bond grew even stronger, and that's what matters. We have been through so much together, from childhood memories to teenager years and beyond. We've shared secrets, dreams, and more than a few arguments of bar clothes. But her kind heart always shone through, reminding me of the amazing person she is. Sorry, Paul, I'm shy of it. When Kuya Bri entered her life, I saw a new spark in her eyes. His generous love and support for her are so noticeable. Sorry, Paul! Oh my God! Woo. And it fills me with joy to see them build a life together. Kuya Bri, you have not only gained a wonderful wife, but a little sister who will always welcome you with open arms. Adelaide, hey, just remember, you are strong, talented, and beautiful woman. And I know you'll create a wonderful life with Kuya Bri and the kids. Remember to always laugh together, support each other through thick and thin, and never forget the love that brought you here today. Wait na po, wala akong matter eh. Cheers to the happy couple. May you enjoy to feel the love, laughter, and enjoy happiness. That's it!
And this time let me call on the best man, Gerson and G.
Hi everyone. I hope everyone's having a good day. By the way, for people who doesn't know me, my name is G. I know Brian for a long time, 18 years to be exact. I have to give the short and PG. But one thing I could say about Brian is, Brian knows what he wants. There was a time Brian wanted to form a boy band. That did not work out. So we formed a band. But that didn't work out as well. Brian wanted to sing Britney Spears.
Wanted to play that. There's a thin difference from that. He wanted to see Britney Spears.
Then he wanted to have a cool job, and you know what he does for a living? Part-time stripper. Oh no, okay. All jokes aside, the very first moment I met Brian, I know exactly that he is capable of fulfilling all his dreams when he sets his goals. He makes sure that he will accomplish. You became an inspiration to us, but especially to me. Not because as a close friend, best friend, but as a brother. We've been through I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to have been part of my life and my family. So lastly, piece of advice come from me. Please have more patience and always remember that decisions, every argument, having yeah, with Brian, he will always think that the best for your family. But please, make a note, Brian.
Una kang naging aking. Come
Can I say something? Alright, this motherfucker, I got you now, motherfucker. yeah, I know, but this guy, I've known this guy for so long, and you know how things go by that every one of us has that friend that you can talk to, right? And unfortunately it was him, for me. And we go way back, like 2 decades, yeah. Exactly. But every time I go to his house, he always prepares me food, he always cooks for me, right? Who does that shit, man? yeah, I love this guy, man. He's my brother. Man, I love you, bro. He's the brother I never had. I love you, bro.
Hi guys, good evening. My name is David. My name is David. ibang tao daw agad. Okay. Sorry. Sisimulan ko kung bago ko nakilala. Si Boss Brian, nakilala ko kung ginawa niya yung Piercing of Stars. Si Ansley is, bukod sa pagiging yaya, naging ko siya sa red ribbon. And then everything stopped. Naging player niya ako. And then, marami tayong friendship for the couples. Thank you kasi bago si Beto, kung naging pangalan. Uy, di mo ako kasi may ibig akong event kung sa event. Bago dumating yung asawa ko, kahit anong event, tatawagin ako ng boss ba eh. Boss, tama ka. Ako naman, pagtapos sa akin, oh boss! Anong oras? Ano naman ako sa altar mo? Hindi ko alam, children's party pala. Pagpunta ko doon, para kung panganay, si Boss Brian, pauwi ko. Si Hans, kaya sabihin, pwede hindi ko kayo na ng babae. Kahit wala, hindi ba yung ito? Pero, thank you kasi, na-appreciate ko. Hindi dahil, kila Boss Brian, kila Ansley, hindi na sa pagkakaroon. Maraming friendship, maraming friends. And, thank you kasi, kahit yung mangyari na kailangan mo lang kayo hindi lagi ganyan. Alam mo, isang tawag lang. Ganun din naman ako. Isang tawag lang. Sige boss! Nasa labas na ako. Sa tawag ko lang. Ano gagawin natin? Ang message nila is just always put God and always be patient. Huwag yung maayaan and looking forward to baby number 3.
Well, it's next is gonna happen tonight, right? The baby number is gonna happen tonight. Oh, tomorrow. They said tomorrow.
I can just say something because I know a lot of people notice that I have a bunch of groomsmen and something. It's a really challenging part. That's the part that's really tough for me, picking the groomsmen. Because I know every person here that I hang out with is genuine friendship. And so I just pick the most that that has special part of my heart. So yeah, I love you guys. I love you so much. Thank you very much.
And we're sure they really love you too, Brian.
Thank you.
And then let me call on the parents of the bride, Miss Susan and Mr. Noel.
Okay, good evening everyone. To my daughter, Ashley.
I want to say that you do absolutely stunning today only. I am in awe of the beautiful woman you have become, and I am honored to be your mother. You have always been a source of pride and joy for our family, and I know that you will continue to bring magic and light into the world. As you begin this chapter of life, I want you to know that your father and I are always rooting for you. Always. We will support you, encourage you, and love you unconditionally. We're excited to see what the future holds for you and Brian. We know it already. And we know that you will create a beautiful life to Brian and his family. Welcome to our family. We are thrilled to have you as a part of our lives, and we look forward to getting to know all better. I want to raise a toast to the bride and groom. May your love continue, to grow and flourish, and may you always find joy in each other's company. Cheers!
First of all, thank you very much to everyone. And thank you very much to our sponsor, to my new bride. And may the honor everything for my daughter friends. I always simple, very simple words. That's it. Give me one for baby. My granddaughter, aka Papa, is always trouble in the school. You know why? Because we need something to play, you know? And also, his brother, now, something, that's why I need one. What is the only one? The only one. And for Brian, I wish you take care of my daughter. He's the only one my daughter. I love this daughter because she's my first. You're second. Okay, then I wish both of you and good health when we start here. You know, sometimes you have ugly childhood. Okay, so whatever what happened, both of you, I will see you. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Noel and Susan. And at this time, let me call the mom of the groom, Carmencita.
Welcome to the family because ever since I was with them, they, I said
Thank you, Ma'am Carmencita. And at this time, let me call on Andrej, the brother of Ansley.
Alright. Hello everyone, I'm Andrej, Ansley's brother. First off, I'd like to thank you all for celebrating with us Ansley and Brian's wedding. It's a special day and special thanks to those who traveled out of town, especially our relatives from all the way from California up there, and watching my little sister marry the love of her life, Brian. You know, me, Ansley's brother, has been quite the adventure. When we were kids, we used to play a lot of street games outside every day in the Philippines, to the point that we ended up going home late, and our mom would scold us and telling us, go straight to the bathroom and take a shower, you guys are dirty. So coming here to the US, I have never imagined working with my sister Ansley. We have a couple of jobs working together, and I didn't expect that. But I just wanted to say that in every aspect of our jobs together, Ansley, she always excelled and very hardworking person. From being a college student and a wonderful mother with my nephew Carmelo and Cassandra, my niece, that is why I'm always very proud of her. You know, I'm from Kuya here. And I remember the day Ansley introduced Brian to us. We were all having a dinner. She had this glow in her face, and I knew he was very special for her. Brian, you passed the test with flying colors. You know, thank you for being there for Ansley. You're getting a partner who will challenge you, support you, and love you firstly. The way you look at Ansley, the way you support her dreams, and the way for being a brother-in-law, you're not just gaining a wife today, but you're gaining a whole family who already loves you. And to both of you, Ansley and Brian, may your love continue to flourish, and may you always find reasons to smile, even on the toughest days. And may you never lose the spark that makes your relationship very special. And also, please take care of yourself and our niece and nephew, and we're always here for you guys. And let's, last cheers for the happy couple. Here's to a lifetime happiness and adventures for both of them. Cheers. Thank you, guys.
Cheers. Thank you, Andrej. And at this time, let me call on one of the Ninong. Let me call on Ninong Nick Lladas.
Good evening, everyone. I'm shocked and surprised. Ansley and Brian, all I can say is good luck. Stay healthy and happy, and always hope that God at the center of the relationship. Thank you. Good night.
Next, may I call on one of the Ninang Maria Teresa Joseph.
Good evening. Ansley and Brian. Brian is my godson, Sabinyag, and Ansley is my goddaughter on confirmation. So, ninang naman ako sa kasal. So, what I can say is that we both bring out the best of each other. Si Brian ay bago, nagkakilala si Ansley, and it's a positive side. So, best wishes, congratulations, and love each other, take care of each other, And, that was the peaceful last year. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, everybody. And now at this time, let's bring a little hype on the house. Okay.